Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Python Concepts for Kids. Part 1. What is Python? Python is like giving instructions to a smart robot. Imagine you have a robot friend. If you tell it, "Say hello," it will say hello. Python is a language that helps us talk to computers. First Python program. Print, hello, world. Output. Hello, world. What happened? Print means show something on the screen. Hello, world is the message. Printing your name. Print, my name is Rahul. Output. My name is Rahul. Try replacing Rahul with your own name. Variables. Boxes for storing things. Imagine a toy box. Name equals Arif. Age equals 6. Print, name. Print, age. Output. Arif 6. Variables store information. Numbers and math. Print, 5 plus 3. Print, 10 minus 2. Print, 4 multiply 2. Output. 8. 8. 8. Python can be your calculator. Taking input. Name equals input. What is your name? Print, hello, name. Example. What is your name? Arif. Hello, Arif. Making decisions. If statements. Age equals 10. If age greater than or equal to 10. Print, you can join the club. Output. You can join the club. Python checks if something is true. Repeating things, loops. Print hello 5 times. For I in range, 5. Print, hello. Output. Hello. 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 A loop repeats actions. Drawing a square with stars. Making a simple quiz. Answer equals input. What is 2 plus 2? If answer equals 4. Print, correct. Else, print, try again. Fun project. Guess the animal. Animal equals input, I say meow. Which animal am I? If animal dot lower equals cat. Print, excellent. Else, print, oops. It was a cat. Multiple variables. Name equals Ria. Age equals 7. City equals Mumbai. Print, name. Print, age. Print, city. Output. Ria. 7. Mumbai. Python can store different things. Text. Name equals Ria. Number. Age equals 7. True or false. Likes underscore ice cream equals true. Mini project, kids calculator. Number 1 equals int, input, enter first number. Number 2 equals int, input, enter second number. Sum equals number 1 plus number 2. Print, answer equals sum. Python as a calculator. Number 1 equals 20. Number 2 equals 5. Print, number 1 plus number 2. Print, number 1 minus number 2. Print, number 1 into number 2. Print, number 1 divided by number 2. Asking questions. Name equals input. What is your name? Print, hello, name. Example. What is your name? Arif. Hello, Arif. Python is now talking to you. Making choices. Suppose it is raining. You decide. If it rains, carry umbrella. Else wear sunglasses. Python does the same. Weather equals rain. If weather equals rain. Print, take an umbrella. Else. Print, wear sunglasses. If examples. Marks equals 90. If marks greater than or equal to 50. Print, pass. Else. Print, fail. Repeating work. Imagine your teacher says, "Write I love Python 10 times." Instead of typing it 10 times, use a loop. For I in range, 10. Print, I love Python. Counting numbers. For I in range, 5. Print, I. Output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count from 1 to 10. For I in range, 1, 11. Print, I. Output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drawing shapes. Triangle. Writing Python comments. Example comment. Hashtag this is a comment. Print, hello. Python concept and meaning. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.